150, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Now before we begin with the video, so I just want to say that I like this show, and if you guys like this show, then thank you very much. Well, I actually want to dedicate this to Spin Master because PAW Patrol has been running since 2013, or if I'm correct, and it's been running for 8 straight years if you include 2021 present year. And I just wanted to celebrate this moment. Like it's been 8 straight years, and PAW Patrol now have 9 seasons already, plus the movie coming in August. Today's June 8th, so yeah. So I hope you guys like the video. So
okay, so we're on short.
So I hope you guys like the speed paint, much less the livery. So I will be posting it on Mega soon. That just need to figure out how actually. So Mega is where I get Hermercraft's models, like the ones on my ceiling right now. So maybe someday I'll get the file out there. Just have to convert it into a single PDF file, because you've already seen that it's separate JPEG files. So, but don't worry, it will all be done soon and released to Mega. So yeah, so that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and please hope for more videos. Please hope for more awesome videos like this one. And deadline of the poll is coming soon, so you better start voting. So once again, thanks for watching. See you next time.
You can always go around if it don't look